it's Anissa and Jazz. Today we're bringing you the cordless fan and work light. Now this has a lot of features. It even has a 6,000 mAh power bank.
Yes, this is one of our most powerful fans. It has 4 speeds and runs at 2,800 RPM.
Wow, that's powerful.
This is one of the most powerful fans we've ever sold. Now, the thing that I love the most about this is that it also has a 45-degree and 90-degree oscillation feature.
So what does that mean?
Well, you can automatically control the fan's movement, whether it's narrow or a wider area. And the great thing about this is you can also manually control it 270 degrees, both vertically and horizontally.
Well, that's a great feature, and that really works well with the LED lights that it has in it. And these lights have 3 different modes of brightness. You can use the lights as a lantern if you want it.
And what's great about this as well is that there's a timer function, so you can set it to shut off at 2 hours, 4, or even 8.
Oh, that is nice. And I like this little feature. If you're using this at night next to your bed, those lights can
Really irritate
you.
Yes.
You can just push one button and it'll turn all those external lights off.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
One of my favorite features is that there's not only a carrying handle on the top, but there's also a hook on the bottom where you can hang it up, keep it off of your workspace, or put it on a branch or in your car when you're working on the engine.
Wow, that makes it a great camping light because you can hang it from the top of your tent. And I love the fact that this is rechargeable, it is cordless, and it's got a long battery life, up to 20 hours.
And don't forget, it has a 6,000 mAh battery that can double as a power bank. It's great for all kinds of devices like your phone or flashlights, pretty much anything. And I love the fact that you can use this in a power outage because it cools you and gives you a light source at the same time. It's also great for camping, but really anyone could use this.
Wow, this truly is versatile. Now I do want to point out that it comes in 2 colors, orange or green, and there's no color choice available. That's how we keep the price so low. To take advantage of this super low price, head on over to PulseTV and grab 1 or 2 today.